Hey guys, it's Tori. I just received this smokeless grill and asked to do a review on it, and I've always wanted a smokeless grill, so I'm super excited. And I'm gonna go ahead and show this to you and walk you through it step by step. So we'll start with the easy thing. Here's the cable. So let me go ahead and take this off. I already tried using this once and I really like it. So let's go ahead and plug this in. At least just plug that part in. Okay, so let me show you what it comes with. You have the lid and you have the grill plate. So this comes up just like this, and then this is the heating element. And this is the heat insulation plate. And this is the water collection tray. You'll also see that there's a line here for minimum and maximum. So you'll want to make sure that you fill the water accordingly. It also comes with these tongs. And the last thing is a griddle, which is so cool. You can use this for pancakes, bacon. So I just filled the water collection tray with water. I kind of did in between minimum and maximum. Next, we're going to place the heating insulation plate and then the heating element. And then we're going to plug in the other part of the cord into the grill, which goes right here on the right-hand side. Next, we're going to place the grill plate down. It's also very important to follow the instructions in the book before using this, because for using, you have to condition the nonstick surface and turn it on right here. You'll have arrows up and down, and then this is a fan. I'm gonna set it for 400 degrees. And then let's go ahead and put the lid on and let it warm up. Okay, so it's ready to go. I actually decided to put it at 450. We're gonna go ahead and take this off. And I'm going to place the burgers on here. And I already seasoned them. Let's go ahead and put the lid back on. And we are going to cook them for 4 minutes and then flip them. It's starting to smell super good. I don't know if you can hear the fan. It's very faint, but it has a fan underneath that takes any of the smoke. So it's been 4 minutes, so let's take the lid off, and it smells so good. I'm going to use this and just flip it. Look how beautiful that is. Awesome. All right, so now we are going to do another 4 minutes, and then just to show you guys, there is no smoke whatsoever. It's awesome, and it smells so good, so I'm super excited. Been 4 minutes. We've done 4 on one side and 4 on the other, and obviously when I open the lid, you're gonna see smoke. But when it is covered, you don't see any of the smoke. It actually, the fan takes that smoke. So I'm gonna use this little handy dandy thermometer. It did not come with it, but we have it just because I want to make sure that I cooked it properly. So I am going to place this in here and check it. It should be at least 160. So let's go ahead, turn it off, and I'm going to take them off. And obviously there's smoke, but that is because, like I said, I don't have the cover on it. Okay, so this looks awesome, you guys. We have a burger and the healthy option. So I wanna say that this is so good, and I would totally use this grill again. The smokeless grill is awesome, and it's so easy to clean, and there's no smoke. So it's just it's so nice. So I would definitely recommend it. I'm a thumbs up for this one. If you're interested, I'll leave the link below. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.